Hi, sweet family. Now, today I wanted to make some garlic butter because my granddaughter made a great bread for me yesterday, and that bread is her bread, and that bread would go perfect with some garlic butter. So I just wanted to bring y'all in the kitchen. Yeah, and today I'm going to be using my powder garlic. This is my powder garlic. I am not going to be using the fresh garlic. Sometimes the fresh garlic is a little too strong for me. So I don't want like the chunks in my garlic butter. So we are just gonna put on this pan to just get warm. Add some butter, and this butter that I'm using here is Irish butter. You can use unsalted butter if you want. I am really not using any unsalted because I don't have any, so I'm using just a regular. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let that little bit just warm up, but not boil. I just want it to melt slightly and get warm, and then we are going to put in our next things. And you know what I think that we could do as well? What would be perfect with this? We could put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there, because we just spoke on a video about cayenne pepper. So a little pinch of cayenne pepper will go perfect in here, and it would give it that little zest that it needs. And so I'm going to put in, this is a tablespoon, so I'm going to put in like a tablespoon and a half of my garlic, because you're not making it too garlicky. And then I am going to put in, now you can put chives, you can put what you want, but I'm putting my parsley. This is my parsley flakes, and I put in a tablespoon of that as well. And I can just let these melt together, and I switch that off because I do not want it to thing. Then we are going, because all you're doing is getting the garlic, mix up and fry up a little, get the heat, and then we would add the rest of our butter and just let it take that stove off, just let it melt down. Yeah, I still think it get a little hotter than I would have liked, because I left it on the stove. But normally sometimes I don't even put it on the stove. I just put the stuff in it and thing, but I just wanted to let it oops, because when we put this in the fridge, it can get nice and hard all over again. Don't mind how it look right now. It will get nice and hard. So we are going to get our cayenne pepper and put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there as well. So just put a little bit to give it a nice little zest. Yeah, I should have taken it off of the stove earlier because it got too hot. I didn't want it that hot. I just want it thing. But let me just put it in this container here and rest it in the fridge and let it get, you see how it looks? Oh, nice. So basically this is going to be our garlic butter. We're going to rest it in the fridge, let it harden up, and then I'll be right back to show you how it is. All right, this is how it looks right now, which is not how I wanted it to look, but it got a little hotter than I anticipated. But we're gonna rest it in the fridge, let it get hard, and then I will be right back to show you. So this is my lovely bread that my granddaughter made for me. I just love it. She did such a great job, and it's so soft. Look at this. Look at this. This is real homemade bread. Look at, I mean, I had it from yesterday, but it is great. So I'm going to eat my garlic butter with this bread. So good. Okay, family, I am back, and our garlic butter is all done. Look at that. Look at how nice and fluffy that is. And it has the herbs and the garlic and everything in it. You can see it there looking perfect. Perfect. I tasted it. It's so delicious. So I'm just gonna take some. It would be nice to warm the bread, but I'm just gonna put some on my bread. This is my bread, my homemade bread. Put some there. And just take a bite. Yeah, I know normally I do this on camera, but but it is so, this is so good. This is the best garlic butter that I made so far. Because I don't normally do it with the Irish butter, but I decided to do it with the Irish butter today, and it is good. This is really good. So our garlic butter is done. It's all finished. So I'm just gonna, it seems to be a lot for that container, but you know what, this would go good on too? A nice baked potato. Perfect on baked potato. You just, when you bake your potato, wash the skins and everything, but you bake it in the skin, and you crack it open, you put some of this butter inside. Oh, that would be so delicious. So delicious. So I just just want to say thank you for joining me for this short little video. And I hope that you enjoyed it and that you will try your own garlic butter at home and not have to go and buy it. And yeah, this is good. And no garlic chunks in my mouth, but it still has the nice taste of garlic. This is good. All right, family. So have a great day. Consider once again subscribing to this channel. Send me a comment, like, and share with a friend that might want to learn how to do these things. So my name is Annie once again, and thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.